Hello and welcome to app tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can change language on the PayPal. Before starting the actual process, let me remind you that you cannot change the language from the app itself. So you will have to open PayPal through a browser and make some changes in there. I'll show you how you can do it. So go to any browser, then head to paypal.com. After you enter the website, log into your account. After you log into your account, tap on three lines on the top left of your screen. Then go to settings. Just below your username, you will find this language option from where you can select your preferred language. In my case, the only available language is English. However, depending upon your location and country, there will be multiple languages available to select. So select the language that you are comfortable with and apply the settings. After that, head back to the PayPal app and you will find the specific language settings applied to the PayPal app as well. So this is how you can change your language on the PayPal app. For a short conclusion, you will have to change the language through a browser since the option to change the language is not in the app itself. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.